Oh, we're gonna go hiking. Lulu, can you say hello? So this is the Buena Vista Whitewater Park, and we're on the bridge. And if Mom had different shoes on, we might go on a big hike, but I think we're going to be done. Oh, there's somebody swimming.
You can take the dogs down and get a drink.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. Doggies in the water. Hey, Lulu. Are you camping? Oh my goodness. Have you been camping before? Do you even know what camping means yet? Oh, but aren't you the cutest? Oh yeah, that's the camera. Can you say hello? Can you say up? Yes, what a campsite we got here. Dude, this place is free. And it's got a fire pit. It's got this rad chick over here. She came with the campsite. Yeah, she's super stoked about it.
I charge extra.
Yeah, you charge extra? Yeah, I know it. Alrighty. Our first family camping trip. Here you come. Here you come. Can you get over?
Oh boy.
Oop, we don't need to. We're gonna stand up.
Hey!
Let's see what she does here.
She's gonna eat shit.
There's a camera on.
Sorry. Oh, maybe.
Oh, we're getting clever about it.
Oh, it's an obstacle.
Oh boy.
Left leg is caught.
You can do it.
You
Come
can
on.
do it. You're so close. Get that left foot over. Is she trying to pull her own foot?
I don't know what she's doing.
You got it. You got it, girl.
Come on, Lulu. You can get out.
Baby.
No, she's distracted by the sand.
Come here.
You can do it.
Eloise June. So close. So close. So good.
Yay! Good job. Come here, you.
Yeah, Lulu.
Woohoo!
Slow down. Slow down.
Yeah, you made it.
Slow down.
You got all the way over here.
You're so impressive.
You like camping? Dinner time. Lulu. Did you have a whole baby carrot in your mouth? You did. And then you sucked down an entire bag of white bean mash in like 32 seconds.
Actually, it was butternut, chickpea, quinoa, and dates.
Ooh, even better. And now you're having some cheddar cheese. Oh man. Oh man.
What? I'm getting a chili. So, oops.
I'm getting cold.
I'm gonna go get my jacket.
No.
How do I shut it now? Oh.
Sam has been mystified by my knife. absolutely mystified by it. There's a flap that you push up and sideways and it allows it to close. It's blade side.
Nope, that's
Eloise is like, figure it out!
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh,
I gave it to you the blade side. Duh, that's how everyone does it. Alright, I'm gonna go get my jacket. I'm cold.
all right, bring back that sausage.
I will. We want some apple? Oh, babe.
Here, I can cut that up for her. Here, yep. Oh, damn it.
Good thing they have a.
Nice tough skin.
What was I gonna say?
Nice tough skin. I dropped it on the ground. It's a little bruised. Lulu, are you hungry for apple? Yeah. All right, we're gonna make some apple. Hold on. I gotta turn this camera off. I don't know, we might be able to go see the view. Let's see. Let's see if we can see the view. Almost. Yeah, there it is. I think that is Princeton. And then right here in front of us with the glare of the sun, I'm sure, is what's called Turtle Rocks. And you can see the backside of the mosquitoes over there, and on the foreground of these cliffs here, running right through there, is the, no, I totally just lied to you. The Arkansas River is over there. I'm sorry. It might wind through there somewhere, but that's not accurate. Over here is where the Arkansas River is. Oof. Almost screwed the pooch.